Take care of your boobs. Little tips and gentle suggestions that can be taken and adapted to your own breasts' wants and needs. Exercise to keep breasts fit at all times. 1. Practice breast self-exams. This is the one tip that is truly applicable and important for everyone. While women are most commonly affected by breast cancer, it also affects men. To do your own breast exam. Step 1. Stand in front of mirror and examine the appearance. Step 2. Stand in front of shower, palpate breast using 3 level of pressure. Step 3. Lay down, prop up shoulder on a pillow and feel the breast. 2. Massage. Scientific research shows that massaging your breasts helps fight cancer. 3. Moisturize. Moisturizing can often feel like a bit of a chore, but there is no denying it's great for keeping your breasts happy. Ideally using oils to stop them from sagging as you get older. 4. Maintain a healthy diet and exercise. As with the rest of your body, your breasts require balanced nourishment and regular exercise to keep them happy. Moderate exercise will help protect your breasts. 5. Bra or no bra. Bras can protect breast tissue and keep the breasts supported. If you're not wearing bra, boobs are jiggle and bounce so freely while walking or running can be a little uncomfortable or painful at times, depending on the size of your breasts. Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice. 2 minutes life-changing makeup tips and advice. Darla.